What is digital marketing for businesses and how master it from scratch? In this video, I'll explain what digital marketing is, how it has changed the game in business, and why it's so important for startups. Have you ever seen an ad that grabbed your attention so much that you wanted to buy the product or service right away? Maybe you found a deal that felt made just for you, like it could be read your mind. It's not magic or coincidence. It's the result of detailed work by digital marketers. They know when you are using your phone, what products you are interested in, and what type of content can keep your attention for just a bit longer. Digital marketing isn't just marketing anymore. It's a modern way of thinking that shapes the future and influences how people think. I'm Vlad Sapozhnykov, a marketer with nearly 10 years of experience and founder of Linux.com, a marketing agency ranked in the top 10 globally for marketing research and strategies for 6 years in a row by the prestigious platform Clutch.co. We help startups with the full cycle development and growth by creating strategic marketing roadmaps and developing investment pitch decks. In this video, you will learn how digital marketers read minds, why they cannot live without cookies, the most powerful strategies for promoting businesses, what connects marketing and butterflies, and why digital marketing is essential for startups. So, let's start. Before marketing and internet existed, businesses worked like ancient traders in a marketplace. Imagine you are selling products in a small town, and your market is limited to just a few streets. You can shout about your product on every corner, but only the people passing by might hear you. Over time, competitors take some of your customers too. Then internet came and changed everything. Now the whole planet is like one big marketplace, where sellers can reach customers anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter if you are in city or a village, your offers can reach the other side of world in a minute. Thanks to the internet, a few clicks are enough to get a product into a buyer's hands, whether they are in the US, UK or Australia. Digital marketing lets every business appear on a global stage, regardless of a distance or time. And for online business, it's even easier. They can be bought in minutes and used instantly. Digital marketing has transformed the way businesses operate, and it all began in the late 1990s. In the mid of 90s, the internet was gaining popularity, but marketers were unsure if it could generate real profits. A key moment was in 1993, when the first clickable banner ad was launched on the Hotwire website. This was a revolutionary step, as businesses were still figuring out how to adapt their strategies to the online world. Interestingly, one of these first banners had a click-through rate of 78%, while today's rates are between 0.05% and 0.2%, showing how much user behavior has changed over time. Now, let's talk about a secret. No digital marketing can survive without cookies. Not the ones you eat, but the small data files that track your online activity. Whenever you click Accept on a website terms, you allow marketers to collect these bits of information. Cookies track what you browse, what products you like, and even your preferences, helping marketers tailor ads just for you. That's why it sometimes feels like your phone or computer is reading your mind. Today, digital marketing has grown into a sophisticated way to promote brands and connect with the potential customers online. It includes not just email and social media, but also search engine advertising, text messaging, and more. If a campaign uses internet-based channels to achieve its goals, it's part of digital marketing. Digital marketing gives businesses the tools to interact with their audience directly through platforms people use every day, like social media, mobile apps, and websites. It's fast, convenient, and effective for sharing messages, selling products, and attracting new customers. Traditional marketing still has its strengths, like reaching large audiences and providing long-lasting visibility. For example, an ad aired during the popular TV show can reach millions. Similarly, a billboard in a busy city can work around the clock, drawing attention for days or weeks. However, traditional marketing has downsides. Primarily, its high costs. For small businesses, running a TV ad during a popular show might be financially out of reach, making digital marketing a more accessible and versatile option. What answer does digital marketing provide? Being a more modern way for brands to communicate with customers. It has its weak points. One major issue is its reliance on technical infrastructure. Imagine a digital marketing launches a global advertising campaign, but the platform suddenly falls due to a technical problem. This could ruin all the plans. Another significant drawback is the overload of advertisements on the audience. People see so many ads every day that they start ignoring them. For instance, even the most creative banner can get lost among dozens of others in a Facebook or Instagram feed. Digital marketing also often faces ethical challenges. Using customer data can sometimes feel exclusive. For example, if a person searches for plane tickets and then sees ads for them on every website, it creates a sense of being watched and make people feel uneasy. But even with these issues, don't think that digital marketing is worse than traditional marketing. The most obvious advantage is its global reach. For instance, a small brand can showcase its product not just to local clients, but also to people on the other side of the world. It's like having a universal key that opens all doors. Plus, online products are usually sold better online. Another key advantage is content personalization. Yes, we mentioned this as a drawback, but it can also be a strength. Brands can create unique offers for each customer. For example, Spotify provides playlists based on your favorite songs, making the experience highly enjoyable. After all, it all depends on the approach and the level of professionalism. One of the key advantages of digital marketing is its ability to quickly measure results. A marketing can launch an advertising post and within hours see if people like it or not, making changes if needed. It's like having an instant feedback tool. This is not possible with traditional marketing. In today's world, almost everyone has a smartphone or laptop with internet access. And people spend more time online. Digital marketing is becoming more suitable for both promoting businesses and for career development. For example, we had a client, a mobile app developer for personal finance planning, who wanted to promote their product using targeted social media. Despite being warned it might not be the best approach, the clients insist. Their idea was simple. People would see the ad, download the app, and its popularity would skyrocket. Do you think it was that simple? The ads brought people to the app, but they didn't stay long. The client kept demanding changes to the ad settings and testing new creatives, but the results didn't improve. Eventually, they gave up, deciding the market wasn't ready for their product. Another client came to us with a different IT product, a tool for managing developer teams. From the start, they were ready to take a comprehensive approach. We used 5 digital marketing tools simultaneously. We optimized their website for search engines, SEO, launched a blog with the practical articles for IT team managers. This is content marketing, shared user case studies, and engaged audiences on social media. SMM, ran targeted ads to drive potential clients to a free trial targeting, and created email campaigns with tips on getting the most out of the product. This approach increased the clients base by 70% in just 3 months. Why? Because of comprehensive digital marketing. The first client wanted everything from just one method, while the second used 5, and that made all the difference. Why is this important? So become a professional in digital marketing, you need to study the field as a whole, not just one area you like. so see the complete picture. Now let's get back to the topic. Do you know what butterflies and digital marketing have in common? There is something called the butterfly effect. It's the idea that even a small change like a butterfly flapping its wings in one part of the world can lead to big changes elsewhere. Similarly, in digital marketing, even minor adjustments to strategy, content, or ads can significantly impact the results of the entire campaign or business. Let's imagine a marketer running an ad for a new product on Facebook. It's a small change, but it sets off a chain of events. First, a few people see the ad, leave positive comments, and their friends get interested. The ad goes viral, more people learn about the product, and sales skyrocket. The company may grow large and hire many people, which will impact their families. This also impacts the market. New competitors may emerge, copying the idea and even creating a new market demand. So a small change, posting an ad, creates a big effect. Similar to the butterfly effect, a small push can lead to big changes. This is a butterfly effect that many people don't talk about. Now let's move on to 5 on the most effective strategies in digital marketing. The first one is pillar content. Creating large, high-quality content, like a detailed article or video, that becomes a main source of information for your audience. Then break that content into smaller parts, such as shorter posts or videos, and publish them on different social networks like Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, TikTok, Facebook, and others. The second is creating a lead magnet, a small, useful, and free piece of content that requires the client to provide their contact information, like an email address, to access it. A lead magnet can be an ebook, checklist, webinar, free course, or even a helpful tool related to your product or service. The third is to start with a cheap product. Create a tripwire. The price should be low enough that even new buyers cannot resist. After buying, customers will realize the quality and will want to purchase more expensive products or services. A tripwire could be a digital product like an ebook, video course, checklist, or a product with the limited features, depending on your target audience. This step helps the customer feel the value of the offer with the minimum financial risk. The fourth strategy is a free trial period. You can offer customers the chance to use the product or service for free for a certain period. This allows potential buyers to evaluate the product's quality and value before making a purchase. We understand that getting used to the comfort and value the product offers plays a big role. After the free period ends, the customer may feel the desire to continue using the product. The fifth strategy is using seasonal discounts or limited time offers to create a sense of urgency among your potential customers. People are more likely to buy when they feel the offer is time sensitive. Big brands like Google and Zoom often use time-limited discounts to push customers to make quicker purchasing decisions. This is a psychological trigger because people tend to overvalue things that are scarce or time-limited. It's driven by the fear of missing out on the opportunity. Have you ever wanted to buy something you didn't really need, but the limited time offer made you act on it? Share your thoughts in the comments. Also, if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like it. That way, YouTube will know it's worth promoting. Now, let's talk about why startups need digital marketing. Imagine a startup just starting out. The budget is small, the team is teeny, but the ambitions are huge. How can you find customers in such a noisy digital world? Then the budget is limited and traditional marketing isn't an option. Digital marketing comes to the rescue. It opens the doors to a global market, even if your office is just a laptop and a cup of coffee. Thanks for social media, SEO, targeted ads, and email campaigns, you can tell the world about your product or idea faster than a kettle boils. And the best part, you can test, optimize, and target your audience without spending a fortune. Digital marketing is the opportunity to make a big leap even with small resources. For example, a well-chosen strategy helps you to find the exact customers already looking for your product, thanks for SEO, or attract them with creative ads on social media. Can you imagine any business without these tools? Probably not. Digital marketing isn't just marketing, it's the way to get the right messages to the right audience online. The best approach is to trust professionals with this task. This way, you can focus your time on other more important areas of your business instead of learning all the basics of digital marketing. So if you want to take your startup to the next level, now is time to act. We at Linux create the perfect conditions for your business to succeed. For the past 6 years, we have been recognized as one of the best in the world by Clash.co. We will help you research the market and find your customers, develop a detailed go-to-market strategy for successful launch, create a marketing roadmap that leads to results, and attract investment to scale your business. All you need is an idea, and we will do everything else. We are your partners every step of the way, from analysis to implementation. Ready to build a business that's a step ahead of the competition? Click the link in the description and get a free consultation. The best investment you can make is in your business, so you can multiply it by hundreds later. Click the link, fill out the form, it will schedule a free consultation. You will learn what steps to take to grow your startup, whether you're just starting out or already more advanced and looking to increase profits. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment. I read and respond to all of them. If you want to learn more about social media marketing, I will leave a link to my video already available on the channel. See you soon. Goodbye.